In this video, I'm going to share with you what I believe is the best strategy, or one of the best strategies, to get started as an affiliate marketer in 2025. You know, if you've got no experience or you've got a little bit of experience, but you're just looking for new ways to, generate traffic for free that can generate you anywhere from $100 to $500 per day in as little as 7 days, sometimes less, sometimes, a bit longer. It just depends. But this strategy doesn't require any money to get started. You can get started today if you want. It is a blue ocean. And you'll see why when I get into what I teach you. Also, if you find value in this video, why not subscribe to the channel to get more content like this? And also, do you find this content useful? Let me know below, because if you do, I will make more content like this. Also, if you've got any questions about what I talk about today, ask away. I'll do my best to answer all the questions and to help you as much as I can. And also, I've got nothing to sell today. This is just a value video to help you guys get started with affiliate marketing. Also, before I get into the video, my name is Grant. I've been an affiliate now for 6 years, without, sort of boasting and bragging about income, because I hate that. I've earned multiple six figures from affiliate marketing. I'm mainly involved in the financial publishing niche and the health niches. I've also worked with ClickFunnels. I've been a media buyer, and I still am a media buyer to an extent. I've spent millions of dollars with clients over the years. So yeah, when it comes to driving traffic and affiliate marketing, I know this game inside out. So on with video. So before I get into sort of what I'm going to teach you today, or sort of share with you, there's so many different ways to do affiliate marketing. There's a lot of gurus teaching paid advertising out there, with Facebook ads, Google ads, TikTok ads. And don't get me wrong, this is absolutely great. But if you haven't got any budget to spend on ads, or you haven't got loads of savings, or you haven't got credit cards or loans, it's just not applicable to you. And also, there's lots of, free traffic sources out there. There's Instagram, TikTok. And whilst all of these are great, and don't get me wrong, they can definitely work. There's more of a viral component for those to get going and having big audiences following you to make those work. But the number one best strategy that I think is the best way to get started in affiliate marketing, or add on as a new traffic source if you're already an affiliate marketer, is YouTube. And I'm not talking about YouTube ads. I'm talking about organic YouTube. I'm talking about having a channel, uploading videos to YouTube. Guys, I cannot stress, this is a blue ocean at the moment. The game has changed with YouTube. As little as a year ago, unless you had tens of thousands, hundreds of thousands, or millions of subscribers, if you're a new channel, you just couldn't compete. Your videos got crickets. But now the algorithm has changed. Basically, people starting off with new channels can potentially get thousands, tens of thousands, hundreds of thousands, if not millions of views with just one video. This means that, the large channels that dominate niches no longer have the monopoly, and the small channels can now tap into the huge amounts of quality traffic that's on YouTube. And also, if you didn't know, YouTube is the second largest search engine in the world after Google, or Google search platform. And this just means there's loads of people on YouTube looking for solutions to their problems. And this is where you come in as an affiliate. So yeah, YouTube is great. So how can you get started with YouTube and affiliate marketing? Now, there's a little strategy here. The first thing you need to do is find an offer, and obviously pick a niche, then find an offer. Basically, I'm not going to go into this really deeply. This is just going to be a very brief overview to give you an idea of how this works. But you want to pick a niche that can make you money, where there's lots of offers and there's a big market attached. Obviously, the really big markets, if you're health and wellness, weight loss offers, you've got prostate offers, ED offers, you can get in supplements and stuff like that. Then the niche I'm in is financial publishing. This is a little harder to get into because you usually need to know people. But if you can start promoting some of the financial investment newsletters, out there, just think of the Agora financial companies and all of the affiliate companies they've got, and all the newsletters they just run. If you can get in, you can start making $150 to $350 per sale. And I can tell you the offers for iPromote pay me as much as $350 per sale. So you only need 1 or 2 of those a day, maybe 3, and you're making $350 to over $1,000 a day. And that is completely possible. How do I know? Because I do it. This is the strategy that I use to promote a lot of my products. And also you've got other niches out there as well. You've got the sort of survival niche. There's loads of them. So basically pick a niche. Once you've got your niche, you need to go to an affiliate network to find the offers. The best place to start probably is ClickBank. It's a bit cliche. You've probably heard of ClickBank and affiliate marketing before, but there's actually a lot of offers on there. And I use ClickBank mainly to find good affiliate health offers, which I'm really interested in and I promote. So some really good offers at the moment are Mytilin, which is the top offer on ClickBank, I think, at the moment. It's a weight loss offer. You've got diabetes offers on there. You've got Sugar Defender. You've got prostate offer on there, Prostaviv. You've got an erectile dysfunction offer on there, which is a nitric boost. Just go on there, go to the marketplace, go to top offers, and start searching through all the offers, having a look at them, and just pick one that resonates with you. So I'm assuming you've picked your niche, you got your offer. Now what? Basically, you need to go and create a YouTube channel. And I think once you've got your YouTube channel, the best way to get started as an affiliate is to review these products. And once you review the products, you want to basically optimize your videos for the people searching for those products. And this is what a lot of people with YouTube channels do with ClickBank offers. If you go to, just do this. Go to ClickBank, go to the affiliate marketplace, go to top offers, click on Mytilin. I'm not sure what the search volume on Google search is for Mytilin, but I'm pretty much sure it's going to be over 10,000 searches a month. It could be a lot more than that. I haven't checked in a while. But basically, if you go to Google search and type in Mytilin, you're going to see loads of YouTube videos of all of these different affiliates basically doing product reviews of Mytilin. And this is the best way to get started with affiliate marketing. I'm not saying you promote Mytilin, but just pick a product, pick your niche, pick a product, open your YouTube channel, and then start doing product review videos. Now, I'm probably picking up on a bit of resistance here. You're probably saying, well, I don't particularly want to be on camera. You don't need to. You can do faceless videos. If you don't want to, show yourself on camera, you can do whiteboard videos. You can do faceless videos. You can even use AI to create videos for you if it's that much of a deal. But you don't have to be on camera to create the videos. You can just get some screen recording software like Camtasia or Movavi Studio and start recording your screen either with a whiteboard presentation. Just go through one of these products' websites. Just things like that. So basically, that is what you do. I'd say start your YouTube channel, start doing product review channels, and start basically optimizing your videos, i.e. putting the name of a product in the title, in the description, in the tags, so those videos start basically ranking in Google search for those videos and YouTube. Honestly, guys, this is one of the best ways to get started as an affiliate. Now, I'm not saying you're going to start making loads of money overnight. Don't get me wrong, it is possible. But if you're starting a new channel, you're most likely going to have to upload a couple of videos, in order to get this going. So I'd allow yourself I'd probably allow yourself 30 days to get this locked in. Find a product or some products. You don't have to do one product, you can do multiple products. Have multiple, and then upload 10 videos. Once you really get past 10 videos, you're probably going to start getting getting some traction. And in your product review videos, you basically want to come across as a guide. You don't want to be all spammy and salesy. Just sort of talk like, you know, you're acting as a guide. You're basically giving your view of the product. You're saying, yeah, this X product really helped me in this way. I think it's really good. It's got great reviews. Just be sort of really cool, easy and natural so people can resonate with you, so they're more likely to buy the product. And obviously, after your product review videos, you want to put your product in the description and in the first comment and pin the affiliate link in the comments. And that is basically it. I know this is a really simple, there's more to it. There's obviously, you know, there's more to it. You've got to have a great thumbnail. You've got to know how to optimize the videos properly, but it's not rocket science. In some cases, you know, if you put a video up, not only can you get search traffic, but if people start engaging with your video, you know, liking and commenting, that can encourage YouTube to start promoting your video to other people on YouTube who are likely to enjoy your content. And this is where a bit of not only you get in the search traffic, you can get, you know, virality as well. And this is where you can blow up as an affiliate and, you know, start making over $1,000 a day. Now, I'm not promising that's going to happen to you, but it's possible because it has happened to me. In fact, one of the first videos I ever put on one of my YouTube channels, YouTube channels I have, it was basically I uploaded a VSL for a financial product to my YouTube channel. I just thought, you know, why not give it a go? Didn't really know what I was doing. And literally within 24 hours, the video blew up. And that, you know, that video started making me anywhere from $300 to, in some cases, up to $1,000 a day over a period of a couple of months. Now, the videos, you know, when they take off, they're not going to take off forever. You'll probably get 1 month, 2 months out of them. Can be less, can be a bit more, but eventually they're going to die. But in that period of time, you can make a lot of money. And the idea is you just keep turfing out videos. And yeah, that is really the strategy. Now, one thing I'll give to you here, one of the key things that YouTube looks for in videos is engagement. If people are watching a video, if they're liking it, they're commenting on it, that tells YouTube people are liking your comment. So that's going to allow YouTube to start promoting your videos even more. So not only can you sort of optimize for search traffic for the products you promote, you know, YouTube, if people are loving your video, YouTube's going to start promoting your video as well, because it makes sense for YouTube, because if people are liking it and watching it, it means they can serve ads on it. You can't run ads on them in the beginning, but YouTube just wants people to stay on the platform, and it will promote videos that people want to watch. And also, there's another strategy you can use as well. Outside of, you know, product review videos, if that's working, you can then start, if you found a niche you really enjoy, then you can start creating broader content around topics or problems that people have in your niche, give people advice, and either promote affiliate products in your video, or even better way, start growing an email list. You can use YouTube to start growing your email list. So say for a video, you know, a video like this, I'm giving value. I could say, if you want a free affiliate, you know, sort of blueprint cheat sheet, you know, I'll link it down below. You know, enter your email address and I'll send it to you for white rate. You know, I'm not doing that, but that's an example. So with broader content like I'm giving you here, you can use it to promote affiliate offers, but also grow an email list. Having an email list is the most important thing you can have as an affiliate, and you can use YouTube to grow your affiliate, grow your email list, and potentially get 10, 20, 50, maybe even 100 leads or more a day that you can monetize pretty much immediately. So guys, that is what I've got for you. I hope you found this video useful. If you liked it, want to subscribe to the channel to get more content like this. Send me a comment down below. Did you enjoy this content? If you did, I'll make more content like this for you. Also, if you've got any topics you want me to cover with affiliate marketing, comment them down below and I'll do my best to cover them for you. I'm here to help you, so ask away. Let me know what you want more of, and I'll do my best to answer your questions and produce the content that you want. Anyway, thanks for joining me. Hope you found the video useful and informative, and I'll speak to you soon.